Thank you po din eh.
Okay na po. Lalagyan ko na lang.
Oo nga, totoo.
Mark, alam mo.
Ano yan? Before and after.
Hindi madali na lalagyan. AI.
At magkasama pa kami ni Sir. Dati hindi. Dahil sa honesty.
Yes. Here, Emma. Emma here.
Alam mo, itulog eh, no?
Pero si Emma doon.
So much.
Yes, Car. So, sino ang mga gusto mong makita? Ako nag-interview
Tingnan ko na.
sa MGI All-Star.
Go.
Nauna talaga
Ay,
siya.
nauna siya. Of course.
Nauna kami dito na stage. Ay, seryo.
O, picture na kita, Micah. One na lang.
Emma, how is Papanawat when it comes to deciding with your endorsements? Lalo na yung mga based dito sa Philippines.
Actually, ngayon silang dalawa ni ALV ang nag-uusap regarding that one and even my judging sa mga pageant. So, nasiksik lang talaga kasi mag-vacation ako sa US kaya lahat ng endorsement and other work, nasiksik lang muna talaga ngayon. Pero I think pagbalik, sabi nga ni Papa Nawat ay magiging part din ako ng MGI All-Star. So, I will help them also.
Will you be hosting MJ?
No, not as a host. So, but be part of MJ All-Star. So, I'm excited also to see who will be joining sa edition na yon. And ang laki ng prize ha. Kasi when I talk to Papa Nawat, ano pala siya? It's like defending your title. So, pag first nasali mo, you will win 100 USD, 100,000 USD. And then second is the same. Pero parang automatic yata pasok ng top 25 if you're the winner on the first edition. And on the third one, that's where you will get the 1 million USD.
Ang laki ng
Grabe.
prize.
Oo. So, let's see kung sino mga sasali.
So,
But this is different from the Miss Grand International. I also asked Papa Nawat regarding that one.
You're one proof of taking chances and taking risks. There are beauty queens right now who are considering to join again because of your experience. What's your advice to them?
Listen to their hearts. Kasi there are a lot of people that will ask you if you can join again or your family or your friends. Pero what really matters is you ask your heart and ask God. Kasi I think God will give you signs. So, ganun lang talaga. Pakinggan mo yung sarili mo kung kaya mo pa. Kung sa tingin mo, you will take a big risk but it will be worth it, then go for it. So, ganun lang. Pakinggan yung sarili. Huwag yung ibang tao kasi ikaw mismo ang lalaban on that competition. So, ikaw makakaalam kung kaya mo pa or hindi.
Last for me, Emma, was there a time in your journey when you had to say no for you to be true to yourself?
Wow! When I was like mga teen siguro, I always say yes kasi parang it's all about me. Kala ko kapag napasaya ko yung ibang tao, okay na. Pero when you mature and when you experience a lot in life, saying yes pala every time, parang hindi rin okay. So sometimes you need to say no kasi yun yung feeling mong makapagpasaya din sa'yo at tama para din sa situation na yun. So it's not always yes, sometimes no. Parang yung sinabi sa akin ni God ng 2019 na, no, not for the crown yet because I need to prepare you first. So imagine 6 years na preparation yun, di ba? So not all is negative. There's always a lessons behind the nose.
Going back, Emma, may mga hearsays ngayon, MMB and Gazini at marami pang ibang personalities that will be joining. So,
MGI All-Stars.
Yeah, for MGI All-Stars. So, what will be your best advice to them if they're going to be joining?
Advice is just enjoy kasi personally who experienced the production under Mr. Nawat, grabe ang entertainment, grabe kasaya. Siguro ang gusto lang din talaga ng team is yung totoo lang sila and nagbibigay ng saya sa ibang tao. So just enjoy lang.
kasi ang hirap mo na yatang sundan ulit. Di ba?
Hindi naman
Although
po.
It's a different one. Parang ang hirap mo na naman yatang sundan. Kasi yung ginawa mo ay parang, di ba nga sabi ko, perfection. Tapos yung next mong sinabi ay mas pa sa perfection. So,
Grabe naman.
Yun, di ba?
Pero
Parang
siguro
lahat
po,
ayos.
pero siguro po mas ano na lang, tignan na lang siguro as an inspiration na lang po. Kasi every year, ganun din naman po ginawa ko eh. Naging inspiration ko yung past queens. Kaya po natin nagawa to. So siguro sa mga future queens, ganun din po. Aspiring beauty queens, gawin lang pong inspiration. You don't need to copy. You just need some inspiration to the other beauty queens.
Okay, last question daw po, Miss Emma. No, ikaw ang sinasabing the BCSD, ikaw po ang sinasabing ang babaeng walang kapaguran, ikaw talagang puro energy. So ano po yung secret to have that kind of power in you?
Siguro parang dapat love mo lang yung ginagawa mo. And kapag love mo yung ginagawa mo, yes, mapapagod ka, pero mag-e-enjoy ka sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Sabi ko nga, ang tagal kong pinangarap to and now I am living that answered prayer. Kaya gusto ko lang siya i-share yung enjoyment na yon sa ibang tao.
Miss Emma, pwede paano pag-greet ng happy birthday dance?
Opo, happy birthday, Emma. Happy birthday, Dad! God bless you. Ingat po palagi.
Thank you.
Thank you, Emma.
Si CJ ba? Pwedeng sumali?
Yes po. Pwede pong sumali si CJ, I think. Parang ang sinabi din ni Papa na what ay kahit nag-title na po sa ibang pwede pa rin pong sumali. Yung,
Miss Emma, picture lang daw.
Kayo po ba? Char?
Picture. Sino mo utusan? Uy, dapat.